Alright. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a project share of a tag flip that I have been working on for a Facebook swap that I am doing. So here is the tag flip. Super excited. It's 5 tags. I'm actually really proud of myself on how quickly I was able to do this. Sometimes I struggle so much, and I've been having like serious like creative block when it comes to like the projects that I want to do, because I've been doing so much planning for summer camp at work and coming up with projects to do with like kindergarteners through 2nd graders that my brain has just been frazzled once I come home and I want to do crafts like for myself. So I was really happy that I was able to knock this out like in the last 24 hours. I'm so proud of myself. All right, so here is the first tag that I did. I used the 6x6 Chasing Dreams paper pad in the background here, with the flourish gold trim going up the back. This swan cutout right here came from the Maggie Holmes like inspired but Maggie Holmes embellishment pack that I just hauled in my last AliExpress video from KS Crafts. This stick here, it says, "You are what dreams are made of." It's actually a sticker from this Maggie Holmes sticker book that I then stuck on top of some white cardstock and then popped up on some pop dots. This sticker book is so amazing, guys. Like, first and foremost, I'm very, very happy to have it. I've been searching months for this sticker book. It's ridiculous. And then I went on, what was that, Friday? I think it was Friday. Yes. On my lunch break, I ran up to Tuesday morning, and they had 2 of them. You guys, 2. It was fantastic. All right. So then up here in the corner, I have these 3 fabric flowers that I've had forever. I'm not even sure where they came from, so I'm sorry on that one. All right. And then in my next tag, again, I used the Chasing Dreams 6x6 paper pad in the back. Actually, all of these tags, the background paper is from the 6x6 Chasing Dreams paper pad. And then on here, I used these floral die cuts out of the Open Book Collections floral ephemera pack. And I really like these particular ones. One, because of the pink, so it matched the background really well. But also because I thought that they were like very realistic looking. So then when I popped each one of these layers up onto pop dots, I feel like it... Whew. All right, sorry about that. Totally just ran out of space on my SD card and had to delete some things. All right, but as I was saying, I liked these ones because it gave like this realistic 3D look once I popped them all up. And then at the very end, I sprayed it with this sheer shimmer craft spray that I just like am totally obsessed with, because it just gives this great little shine to it. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah. All right. My next tag is my like carousel inspired tag. I really like this one. It uses 4 pieces of ephemera from the ephemera pack that I picked up from AliExpress in my last haul. That ephemera pack came from KS Crafts, and I can leave a link down below. Then I used, as I said before, the Chasing Dreams paper, 6x6 paper pad on all of these. And then finished it off with this pom-pom trim that I got at Joann's, oh Lord, a while ago. And then this is like my absolute favorite tag, guys. Look at this. It's so freaking cute. So it's a shaker tag, as we can see. And I have these like rose gold colored sequins, these really cute starburst sequins. And then there are, I don't know how well you can see them, but in here there's these little micro beads that then roll around in there as well. The chipboard comes from the Chasing Dreams chipboard, and then Share the Joy here comes from that same ephemera pack from KS Crafts. And then I just lined my acetate. Oh, mind you, I guess I should describe that. My acetate is just popped up on some white craft foam, and then I covered up the acetate and tape with a piece of gold Maggie Holmes washi tape. Okay, and then last but not least is this super cute and super simple tag. So this one just says love this, and I used the carousel thickers and this camera that came out of the carousel chipboard. So I guess this is another carousel like inspired tag. And then a couple hearts from the thicker pack as well. And then I chose the camera because of the picture frames that are here in the background with this Chasing Dreams paper, and I just thought it went really well together. So yeah, I'm really, really proud of my tags, guys. I do not make them very, very often. And thank you all so much for checking out my channel. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the little bell so that you get notifications of when I post. And until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.